This is a book review on the sounds of Star Wars. I received this book from the publisher, and I would like to note that it actually came damaged. My screen does not light up, and I changed the batteries and did all the obvious things. The sounds work, but the screen is supposed to contain numbers from what I understand. And if you'll notice inside the text, there's these little coordinating numbers, and you're supposed to be able to scroll back and forth on this screen and then play the sound with wherever you're at when you're reading. Unfortunately, because mine's broken, I can't do that. So I don't know if that's a common problem in these books or if I was just, one in a million. I will say that I have a 7-year-old and a 37-year-old at home, and they both extremely have enjoyed this book. I mean, they just really extremely like it. It's a great book. Every night, my son can't wait for my husband to read him this book, and they've been able to follow along well without the light up there window. Let me show you the table of contents. It includes Star Wars, Empire Strikes Back, Return of the Jedi, The Phantom Menace, Attack of the Clones, Revenge of the Sith, and The Clone Wars. So it's really detailed. And the way this book works, like I said, is the sounds work by reading the text. And there you go. You can kind of get an idea. And basically what it is, it follows along with the different pictures. And I will just continue doing the sounds and let you listen and flip through the book.
You fool! I've been trained in your Jedi arts by Count Dooku.
And there is a volume control, and there is a little place for headphones. If there is anybody in your family who loves Star Wars, then I would definitely buy them this book. This is a great gift book. This is a great book for Christmas. Like I said, my 7-year-old keeps this book on his nightstand. He loves it. I highly recommend it. It's definitely getting 5 stars. Really, really incredible book. And I can't believe it hasn't been written sooner. And I can't believe they can pack all these sounds into this little box. And let me real quick tell you, let's see what some of the higher numbers are on this to give you an idea. I think right here, 256 sounds. So really an incredible book.